It's Michelle, and we're going to look today about using the WV Deli or the online library for West Virginia. So the online library basically is going to allow you to check out digital books and audiobooks or ebooks and audiobooks and read them on your computer, on your phone, or if you have an e-reader like a Kindle, you can even read them on there. So if you are trapped at home, like almost all of us are, then this is going to give you the ability to borrow a ton of books and audiobooks without ever having to leave your house. And as I said, you don't even have to have an e-reader, though I personally prefer reading on my Kindle, but you can do it on a computer, your cell phone, your iPad, any kind of tablet. So all of those options are going to be available. So to start off, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our library website. Now, my library is the Morgantown Public Library, but we also have the Charleston Public Library and the South Charleston Public Library and the Kanawha County Public Library. On all of those, what you're going to be looking for is a link for viewing the digital library. And once you go there, you're either going to have a link for Libby by Overdrive, or you're going to have a link that is going to show you for WV Deli or the West Virginia Deli. That's the name of the electronic library for the whole state. So when I click on this, it's actually going to redirect me to the wvudeli.overdrive.com site, and this should look the same whether you're in Morgantown or Charleston. What you're going to need to do this is all you're going to need is your library card. So if you don't have a library card, that will be a problem. But if you have one, on the back of it, you should have a number, or at least for the Mon County, Marion County area, ours actually has a number on the back. I would hope that Charleston's would be the same. So what are we going to do? We are going to click sign in. So in the top right corner, we see sign in, and it's going to say, please select your library. I'm going to choose Morgantown because that's where I am, but obviously you can see that Kanawha County Public Library, South Charleston Public Library, all of those are options on here. But as I said, I have a Morgantown library card, so that's what I'm going to choose. Then I'm going to enter my library card, and you may need a magnifying glass for this because it's a pretty small number that's written on there. So you will enter your library card number. Once you click sign in, it should take you to the library options for whatever public library system you're part of. And what you're going to pay attention to here is you have the option for my account, and that's where you can see what books you have checked out or what you have on hold or what you have on loan. And this is also where you are going to search. So if I want to find a specific book, I will just click on search right here with the magnifying glass, and I will type in the name of the book or the name of the author that I am looking for. So I'm going to look for Robert B. Parker's Small Vices. And it's giving me two options right here. So you can see when you look at the bottom that I have the option for an ebook or an audiobook. The ebook I can read through the Kindle app on any of my devices. The audiobook, I'm going to need the Overdrive app to use to listen to. But if you've ever used Audible, it's just as easy as using that. So I'm going to choose whatever book I want to borrow. Once I view that, I can read it on the Kindle app, on my computer, on my tablet, or on my phone. Now, once I've done with the book, I'll then need to return it. Now, all of your books will automatically be returned when they expire. So once I once the 7 days or 14 days or 21 days have expired, then it will automatically be returned to the library. But since a lot of people may be using the system now and may be wanting to read a lot of the same books, I like to return a book as soon as I'm finished with it. So I will click on my account and choose loans. And this is actually going to give me a list of all the books that I have checked out. Once I'm done, I will click. If you look down here, when I scroll down, I can see where it says return. I'm going to click return and return title. And now this book will be available for anyone else to borrow from the library. So that's a super quick and easy look at West Virginia Deli, a way for you to borrow ebooks and audiobooks from your public library. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll be coming to you with a lot more options in the coming days. Thank you.